In this video, we are unboxing and demonstrating a torque wrench on a Ford F-150 Raptor. We have a tool storage case, product manual, calibration certificate, gloves, torque wrench body. This is a medium-sized torque wrench. Its torque range is 20 Nm to 120 Nm, 14.8 foot-pound to 88.6 foot-pound. Next are the standard operating steps. First, set the target torque. Push down the locking switch at the end of the handle. Unlock it. Rotate the orange handle. Rotate clockwise to increase torque. Rotate counterclockwise to decrease torque. First, adjust the main scale close to the target value. Then use the secondary scale for fine adjustment, until it aligns with the required torque value. After the setting is complete, push the locking switch back to lock it, to prevent the value from shifting during use. Next, we will introduce installation and demonstration. We selected a medium 13mm deep socket. This socket is for demonstration only, for reference only. Press and hold the button on the ratchet head. Fully insert the socket. Make sure there is no looseness. There is a selector lever on top. The direction of the selector lever indicates the rotation direction of the torque wrench. When the pointer faces right, it rotates clockwise. Move the selector lever. When the pointer faces left, it rotates counterclockwise. When tightening bolts, use both hands to hold the handle steadily. Apply force slowly and evenly toward your body. Never apply impact force or press down aggressively on the wrench. When you hear a clear clicking sound from the wrench, stop applying force immediately and release pressure. The tightening process is complete. Next are the precautions for using the torque wrench. Never exceed the rated torque range. Never use it to loosen rusted or over-tightened bolts. Do not use it as a hammer or as a pry bar. Doing so will directly damage the internal precision mechanism. After each use, be sure to adjust the torque setting back to the minimum value in the range. Then place it back into the storage case. To avoid long-term spring compression and fatigue, avoid impacts and dropping the wrench. Next, we will use a Ford F-150 Raptor as an example. Adjust the torque wrench to the required torque setting for the target bolt. Begin tightening. Install the socket. Stop when you hear the clicking sound.